Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Word 365 on your Windows PC, quickly and easily. Take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Every bit of your support inspires us to keep bringing simple tech solutions straight to you. Now, let's get started. Before any other thing, make sure you don't have an existing Microsoft Office version on your PC. If you do, it's best to uninstall it first to avoid conflicts. Open Control Panel Programs and Features. Look for any Microsoft Office products, click on them, and select Uninstall. Once your PC is clear, we can move on. Now, let's head into your browser. Once your browser is open, click on the address bar, type config.office.com, and press enter. This is where we'll create a new configuration to set up Microsoft Word 365 exactly the way we want. Once you are on the right site, as shown on your screen, click on Create to start a new configuration. This will allow us to customize the installation of Microsoft Word 365, including system type, suite, and apps we want to include. Next, choose the system architecture that matches your computer, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Now, choose the Office suite or type you want to install. For this tutorial, we'll select Office 365. Next, scroll down and choose your preferred language for Microsoft Word 365 and the rest of the Office apps. On the right-hand side of the screen, click on Export. From the pop-up menu that appears, select the second option. This will generate the configuration files we need to download and install Microsoft Word 365 on your PC exactly as we set it up. Now click OK. Read and accept the license agreement, and then click Export to save the configuration file. Now, open a new browser tab and type in the exact address shown on your screen. You can also copy the link from the description of this video to make it easier and faster. This will download the Office deployment tool, which we'll use to install Microsoft Word 365 with the configuration we just created. Next, head over to your Downloads folder. Select both downloaded files and copy. Open your C drive, create a new folder, and name it Office 365. Open the folder you created and paste the copied files inside it. In the same folder, right-click the address bar at the top and copy the folder path. In your search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type CD followed by a space. Then right-click or press Ctrl+V to paste the folder address you copied earlier, and press Enter. Next, type the following command and press Enter to start installing Microsoft Word 365. You can also copy the command from the video description to make it easier. Your installation will now begin. Depending on your PC and internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so be patient while Microsoft Word 365 installs. Once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and open Microsoft Word 365 or any other related app to check that it's working smoothly. And that's it. We're done. If you encounter any issues after installation, try restarting your PC and then open Microsoft Word 365 again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.